Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect ZKT to PC. First, identify the connection options available on your ZKT device, typically Ethernet. Next, ensure your PC's network adapter is configured correctly for a local network connection. Finally, gather all necessary cables, like a standard Ethernet cable, to establish the physical link between your device and computer. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth setup. Now let's configure the network settings. Access your ZKT device's menu to set a static IP address and subnet mask. Then, on your PC, assign a static IP address within the same network range as the ZKT device. For example, if the device is 192, 168, 1, 200, your PC could be 192, 168, 1, 100. Temporarily disabling firewalls can also help prevent connection issues during initial setup. With network settings in place, it's time for software. Install the specific ZKT management software compatible with your device model onto your PC. Once installed, open the software and use the device's configured IP address to add it to the system. After adding, perform a connection test within the software to confirm that your PC and the ZKT device are communicating successfully. This step validates your setup. If you encounter issues, start by checking all physical cable connections to ensure they are secure and properly seated. Confirm that both your ZKT device and PC are powered on and receiving electricity. Sometimes, a simple restart of both devices can resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Following these steps will help you maintain a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.